Now, this illustration deals with hydromassage bathtubs. In accordance with 680.70, 680.71, and 680.72, as well as 680.73. Now, basically, a hydromassage tub is not any different than a regular tub as far as the code would look at it. Now, notice we have luminaires that were installed in accordance with 410.10, D as in dog. We have a hydromassage tub. We have a light switch installed in accordance with 404.4C. We have a receptacle outlet installed in accordance with 406.9C and 610.8A9. Those two sections would have to be looked at. Now, the circulating pump has to be GFCI protected. So the water circulating pump motor must be readily accessible in accordance with 430.14A, Article 100, and 680.73. Now, Article 100 just defines your GFCI protection and readily accessible. Now, notice if that door just opens, you don't have to have a tool to open the door. Then we could have a little receptacle within 1 foot where you open the door. That carding plug connects it with a GFCI, and that'd be considered, in my opinion, readily accessible because you're not using a tool. That's why it's important to read the definition of readily accessible. It's where you don't use a tool. You could use a key and that'd be all right, but a tool wouldn't be considered readily accessible. Now, we know that we have to have GFCI protection by 680.71. Now, the first loop talks about, again, for receptacle location that we just talked about, figure 10-34 in volume 1 of the Stallcup design book. The next figure loop says for location of a lighting fixture. See figures 10-17 and 10-33 in volume 1 of Stallcup's electrical design book. And then you get the overall picture, what is required when a hydromassage bathtub is being installed in accordance with this figure 16-138.